Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be fixing the heater hose adapter. This is a quick adapter, and they break all the time on these Silverados, Suburbans, everything like that. So we're just going to take a pair of pliers, and we're going to pinch it, and we're going to move that clamp down, and then we're going to be able to pull the hose off. As we do, we will lose coolant, and that's okay. It'll just come out for a minute here, and then the adapter itself is plastic, and they crumble and break. Usually they break off entirely, but you can see here with some pliers how brittle this is. Even just barely touching it, pieces are crumbling, and that's why these start to leak. And again, sometimes the hose just snaps right off and it leaves that adapter on there. So there is a proper way to remove the adapter. Here's a new adapter, and if you look at it, inside it has these little tabs that push down. So it's a quick connect, so it clicks on. And so what you're supposed to do is put this tool in here, and as this tool goes in, it spreads those clips back out and you can pull it off. So here's what it looks like, the tool itself. It has a little slit in it so it can go in and go around the line that you're working on. And so then once it's on that line, we can push it forward. So this is what the tool looks like installed, and you would push it forward. It would go inside of that adapter, and then you could pull the adapter off, and we're just getting it off of that rim there that's on the hose. If not, you can take a blade of some sort and just cut through the old adapter. Again, it's crumbling, and it's really not that strong anyway. And so you can literally cut it off if you have to. The tool is a better option, but it is just plastic that's crumbling anyway. So I kind of did a little bit of both, and I still ended up using the tool. Again, you just would come in from behind it and then push forward to collapse those teeth, and then you can just pull it off. Okay, so this is kind of what the tool looks like. Again, installed as you're pushing it forward. You just want it to go over that rim, the metal rim on that pipe, in order to pull that off. So here's our new piece, just the adapter instead of buying the whole hose. And so you can try to just put it on here, but that makes it a little more difficult. It is kind of hard to push on, and then you're wiggling that clamp back on. So we'll put the hose back on the adapter first. Before we do that, we'll take the hose and fill it full of coolant, and when it starts to come out the other end, now you know it's full. This is what it looks like now with the adapter in the hose in place, and now you'll just simply push it on. It should click. Just make sure that it's on all the way and not coming back off towards you. Now just top off your coolant level. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please check the video description. I have a full playlist of all the videos that I've done that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe.